I'm fine. Hadi is praying for teacher. Hadi, you used to pray for the teacher or no?
Yes.
Good.
मैं उठा के फेंकूंगी इसको बाहर छोड़ दिया जाओ जाओ चलो निकलो यहाँ से You want to see my anger? You want to see my anger? Come here. My club.
How is Shazil? Shazil, how are you? Okay, you have to get ready with your copies.
Yes, copy.
Are you read? If you have a loose sheet, you get ready with the loose sheet. We'll be working on a sheet. Yesterday I have explained first two chapters. Now I will explain next one again. Okay, let's share the screen. You can see the screen, beta? Clock hands. Okay, today we are revising our chapter 15, telling time by hours. So, an analog clock has two hands or pointers. These are two hands which shows time. Yes, beta.
Can I drink some water? Can I go like washroom?
Okay, Mariam, do one thing. Be quick, and you have to go to the toilet during the break. You can now go quickly and come back. So, these two hands shows us the time. Let's wait 2 more minutes to join the class for the students.
Assalamualaikum, teacher. Teacher. Teacher, which page is this?
Okay, this is the presentation. Now let's start. I'm starting the work. After 2 minutes, we will start. Because we already have a short period
Which page is this one?
because this is presentation and this is chapter 15 we are revising, okay, today.
Chapter 15, Mama.
Telling time by hours and half an hour.
Bunch of great, but only bunch of bananas.
Okay, the small hand shows hours and the long hand shows the minutes. Okay, whenever you are looking at the clock, you must watch
want to
Look
tell
at
you something.
small
There
first.
are three like these lines. Do you know one moves the time, one moves and moves, and these goes stop and then goes stop
Okay. Now
and
today
goes.
we are talking about two hands. Okay. The small hands which shows hours. The one is very important. So whenever you are trying to tell the time, first you have to look at the hour, the small hand. So like if we want to tell the time right now, what is the time on this clock? So I'll look at the small hand first. Now it's at 9. And the long hand, the minute hand is on 12. Then what is the time now on this clock? Yes, please.
Teacher, 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. So we can write the 9 o'clock like this, 9.20, and we used to write the time other way, 9 o'clock. Okay? Right.
That is booklet.
No, this is not booklet. This is a presentation. Okay. Now, small hand is between 10 and 11. The long hand is on 6. See, it's between the small hands. We will look at the small hand first, where it is between 10 and 11. And the long hand is on 6. So what is the time now? This is half past.
Teacher,
Okay.
I think half past 10.
30 minutes. Yes, 10:30. This is 10:30. Half past 30. What is the
Because
time? It shows
let me,
half past 10. The time is half past 10. 10:30. Okay.
teacher, I want to tell. I want to explain.
What you want to explain? But yeah, just listen. Then you have to, I will tell you to draw the clocks. Okay. If this hand, the small hand will go between 11 to 12. So what will be the time? Yes, Mariam. What will be the time if this small hand will move between 11 to 12 and the long hand will remain stay on over here?
Half past 11.
Yes, half past 11. Okay, Shazil, if the small hand will move between 12 to 1, then what will be the time?
Village.
Shazil?
6 o'clock.
No. Listen carefully. If the
No,
small hand will
half
move between
10.
12 to 1, between 12 to 1, if the small hand will be between 12 to 1, it means here, what will be the time? Half past
12.
12. So that's why I'm telling you, listen very carefully. If this will move between, small hand will move between 3 to 4 and the long hand will remain same. So what will be the time? Between 3 to
got what is this?
Hamza. If the small hand will move to between 3 to 4, what will be the time?
Half past 3.
Half past 3. That's great. Wonderful. So please keep in your mind. All right, now which shape?
I
This, what is
already
the
know
shape?
these stuff.
Okay, now next chapter. This is a circle. It is round. It does not have any corner. This is a square. It has 4 equal sides. See? Equal sides. All sides and corners are in equal. This is rectangle. Okay, it has two parallel sides, two pair of parallel sides. See, these two sides are same and the other two sides are same. It has 4 sides and 4 corners. This is a triangle. It has 3 sides and 3 corners. Look at here. 1, 2, and 3. Now, let's watch this video to group the shapes. Where is the link? Why? Why it's unavailable? Okay, let's see baking pattern. So which shape? A pattern is an arrangement of shapes, numbers and objects. Especially it is a design in which the same shape is repeated over and over. Like
Teacher,
there is a
I
rectangle, triangle, then rectangle, triangle.
and
Yes.
rectangle, triangle,
Then,
and rectangle,
then
triangle.
again,
Diamond
triangle.
circle. Diamond circle. Diamond
Yes.
circle.
Okay, now see, big
Like
triangle,
this. Teacher,
small.
diamond
Big,
circle.
small.
Diamond circle.
Big
Diamond
triangle.
circle.
After big, which triangle come?
Small.
Small, yes. So we'll move the small here, okay? The small will be there. Okay, now stay here. Okay, now look at here now. Complete the pattern with the solid shape. What comes next in the pattern? Cube, cylinder, cube, cylinder, cube, cylinder. Then what comes next? What comes next over here? Cube. Cube. Yes. Now what comes next in this pattern? Cylinder, rectangle, cube. Cylinder, rectangle, prism, cube. What comes here?
Cylinder.
No. Yes, cylinder. You're right. Cylinder comes again. All right. So what is this? Now we have to look at here. On a worksheet, we have questions related to these work pages. So we have to open the worksheet and you have to answer. Okay, we have done this page yesterday. Now, 50, look at here and you have to tell. Okay, 59 plus 3. Count on and complete. Okay, count on 3 numbers, 59. Then what comes? 60.
58.
Then
57.
okay, look at the number 50. You can see the screen or no? The screen again. Okay, let's see. Now you can see, huh? 59 plus 3. Count on 3 more and then tell what comes here. 59, then what comes here? 60. 60. Count. Excuse me. Now count back. We are looking. Hassan, listen to me. 61, 62.
61, 62,
See, count. When he says count back, then you have to count back. Okay, everyone listen carefully. When it's written count back, then you'll be counting the back number. Otherwise, count on the next number. This is the addition sign. In addition, we add the things. Count more. In subtraction, when you have subtraction sign, then you count. So 59 plus 3 will be 60, 61 and 62. Yes. 59 plus 3 is 62. Now 25 plus 20. So we will count by tens. 35 and 45. So 25 plus 20 will be 45. Now the greatest to the smallest number. Okay, which number is the greatest number?
Greater number. This is greater number.
78, 87,
Greatest number.
87.
Yes, 87, 78, and then 35.
87,
Yes.
78 is 35.
Okay. Now, right now, what you are going to do, you have to arrange this number from the greatest to smallest on the copy and make the clock and show this time. 8 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 3 o'clock.
This one, greatest to smallest, 78, 87, 78, 35.
Okay. Now, let's start the work on the copy. Arrange this from greatest to smallest and then draw the clock hands to show this time. Open your copy or a paper. doing science quiz in this class. Or tomorrow I'll do a science quiz. Tomorrow, inshallah. Today finish the maths.
I found my copy.
Teacher,
Yes, Bridget.
tomorrow not science period.
Teacher, what we had to bring?
This is the work. You are right. Arrange the numbers from greatest to smallest on your paper, and then you have to draw these clocks and draw the clock hands to show this time. Everyone started the work. Okay, on your cameras, and let's start the work. Okay. On your camera, sweethearts. Let's start, good children. On your cameras. We just put something round to draw to make a clock, a lid of a bottle or something. Hamza is working. Yes, that's great. Manal, you are right. You can draw with the help of this and you will have exact round shape. So you have children, you have to. What about the rest of the class? Why your cameras are not on? On your cameras, and let's start the work.
I don't have a worksheet. Lesson over.
Okay. How many students have done this work?
Teacher,
Okay, where should be the clock hand? It's 8 o'clock. If the time is 8 o'clock, where should be the small hand?
small hand should be 8.
And the big long hand should be
12.
12. That's great. So if the time is 6 o'clock, where should be the small hand?
6.
Yes. 6, and the long hand should be?
12.
Yes. And what about Chadil? Chadil, if the time is 3 o'clock, where should be small hand?
Teacher, I'm done.
Chadil.
It will be on 3. The
Okay.
small hand will be on 3 and bigger hand will come on 12.
Okay. That's great.
The rest is so easy, you can do by yourself.
Teacher, do we have to do greatest to smallest and these 3 clocks?
Yes.
I'm done.
You have done. That's great. Okay. Now show me your work. What is done? Shanze, on your camera and show me the work you have done. Hassan is where? Hassan is working? Okay.
Yes.
That's great. Wonderful. Okay. Picture is not clear. All right. You have to take the picture of your work and send, okay? On OneNote today. And we'll revise next questions also right after some time. So you can do the whole practice of the whole sheet as like with your moms. We are doing some work during the class. We will revise the whole worksheet, but we'll not do the whole worksheet as written work in class. Okay, Manal, draw the clock hands. And this worksheet is already shared on your MS Team, okay? If you want to open, you want to print or whatever, you want to look at the worksheet and attempt it on the copy or page, so you can open this anytime from your maths channel. Okay, how many students have done the written work? Okay, what about this? What is the time here on this clock? Write the time, 1/2 past. Look at this clock. 1/2. What is the time? 1/2 past?
3.
3. Wonderful. And what about here? Yes,
1/2
Insha, what is
past.
the time?
1/2 past 1.
1/2 past 1. See, the small hand is between 1 and 2. So this is 1/2 past 1, and here small hand is between 3 and 4. So this is 1/2 past 3. All right. What is the name of this shape?
Square.
Square. Okay. Manal, what is the name? Tell the name of these shapes, Manal.
Circle.
Okay. What about this, Manal?
Triangle.
Triangle. And what is this?
Rectangle.
Yes, rectangle. All right. So our rectangle has dash pair of sides. How many pairs of sides? One, two.
Four.
Our rectangle has two pair of equal sides. Okay, two pairs of sides. A triangle has how many sides? One, two, three. A triangle has how many sides? Three sides. Okay, circle the shape that does not belong to the set. Over here, which shape is not belonging? Here, you have to circle. Over, look at here. Which shape is not belonging?
Triangle. That's question.
Triangle.
You move so quickly. I'm
Okay.
not done with the
Okay, what
questions yet.
about here? What
Triangle.
about triangle? Yes, what happened, beta?
I'm not done with the question 4.
Okay, you have done these blocks. Okay, only this work was the written work, and we were revising the rest of the worksheet as oral. Okay, it's up to you if you want. Okay, complete the pattern. Which shape comes here? Yes, sister.
I am in 2D o'clock. What else in 2D o'clock?
Which shape comes here, Shazil? Triangle, square, triangle, square, triangle,
Square.
square. Okay, circle, star, circle, star. What comes here?
Circle.
Circle. That's great. Wonderful. Okay. Who is saying 3 o'clock done? Have you finished the written work, children?
Yeah. Yes. Done.
That's great. Wonderful. Good job.
I'm not done.
Okay. Mariam is still working. Mariam, you can see this worksheet. Okay.
But teacher, I am trying to draw a circle, but it's not drawing.
Keep something down near you, and which will help you to draw.
Okay, wait.
All right.
Okay, I will find it.
Water or your color pencil box, something, so you'll be able to draw. Right now the class is finished. Okay, so see you in next class, and you can continue your work. You can open your worksheet on your MS Team.
Okay, love is teacher. Bye bye.
Allah
Love is teacher. Bye bye. Have a nice day.
Ready for the next class, for the English class. We have MS quiz.